The Florentine brand Devon&Devon responds to the trend for colored sanitary ware and at. This design week presents baths made from the composite material White Tec Plus in color. Moreover, this color can be absolutely any according to the NCS system. That is, accordingly, you can choose the shade that suits your project specifically, and I know that many architects prefer this system. White Tec Plus is also an eco-friendly material. A plant-based polymer is used in its creation. It is precisely because of this that the material has the Green Garden Gold certification, which allows it to be used without issues in hospitality projects, such as hotels. Well, and here, of course, Devon&Devon also have something to boast about, as they have been involved in furnishing many luxurious hotels around the world. Naturally, freestanding baths cannot be used without mixers. And here are several new products at once. Firstly, an absolutely secret preview of a mixer from the 20s collection in a single-handle version. The small Celine Petite bath, which is also, by the way, a new product this year, is accompanied by a freestanding bath mixer from the Gemstone collection with characteristic handles made of crystal, and the classic Admiral bath, made of cast iron, which is loved by many, is accompanied by a mixer from an entirely new series. This is Signature. The predecessor of Signature was the Dundee series, and the main difference is that now the handles are made entirely of metal. And this is not without reason, because, firstly, this mixer can be used not only in classic but also in more modern interiors. And secondly, this is the first collection that Devon&Devon is releasing in PVD finishes. And this too is mainly a request from the hospitality industry, because, of course, PVD is a more durable coating compared to the classic galvanic finish, which has been present in Devon&Devon's range for quite some time. The Celine Petite bath is a response to another quite important trend: luxurious, compact bathrooms. The size of this model is 168 by 70 centimeters. The full-sized one was 176.5 centimeters in length, and the new Elle console can be a wonderful addition to the wash area in this very compact bathroom. The new Étoile basin is installed on it. The console itself has bars on 3 sides. I really like the expressive towel holder, which is located directly under the front overhang of the basin. And, of course, the glass shelf will be very convenient for storing some important small items. The Elle console is also a kind of evolution of the model that was presented at the last Milan salon, which is called Jolie, but that one was quite compact, whereas this one is quite sufficient for performing some daily morning rituals. If you have a larger bathroom, then you should pay attention to the Regal bath. And it is, of course, not a new product, but in this version with a polished aluminium screen, it is presented in the Devon&Devon showroom for the first time. And despite its rather impressive size, thanks to this reflection, it looks quite airy. If you prefer closed storage, then I would draw your attention to the Metropolitan model, which in this case is presented in a natural oak finish. From a stylistic point of view, it offers a certain allusion to the Art Deco aesthetic. And this is very relevant now, because this year marks the centenary of this famous aesthetic movement. As you remember, Devon&Devon offers complete conceptual solutions for bathroom fittings. And not just fittings, but also finishes. They have a special atelier division, that is, creating bathrooms entirely to your measurements and desires. But there is also a whole range of finishing materials. This includes tiles, marble, and of course, wallpaper. And here it's worth remembering that last year at the Milan salon, for their anniversary, Devon&Devon released a collection of wallpapers featuring views of Florence, and these were colored wallpapers. Well, the novelty of this show is the same Florence wallpapers, but in sepia, which is a more minimalist solution and possibly more suitable for modern interiors. The absolute novelty of this season is the Kent furniture composition, which represents a symbiosis of closed and open storage, providing all possible options for organizing space within the bathroom. I really like the central part, which has semicircular doors. I also really like the handles. When creating these handles, Devon&Devon were inspired by men's cufflinks. Aristocrats in Kent only wear such ones. No one uses buttons on cuffs. The countertop is made of marble. It features a 3-position mixer from the same gem collection, and above we see a familiar item, the Chateau mirrored cabinet, which combines storage convenience and, of course, the functionality of reflecting the beautiful owner of such a luxurious bathroom. As for the PVD coating, it should be noted that, firstly, 2 shades are currently offered: polished nickel and light pale gold. These PVD finishes are also available in the existing Devon&Devon collections. These are Time, City, Austin, and Double. And what is also, in my opinion, very important, is that flush buttons for wall-hung toilets can be made in these same PVD finishes, which is undoubtedly very practical, as these items are used just as intensively as taps. The Liberty collection, as the name suggests, has inherited the features of this particular Italian Art Deco style. It was presented at the Milan Salon last year, and there we saw a ceramic sink and facades that had a veneer finish made from walnut root. Here, another version is presented, a marble countertop with undermounted basins, and the cabinet itself is coated with a very delicate ivory lacquer.